What's up, YouTube? It's your boy YKTV, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I got my yeah. So this is gonna be her first ride with me. I don't know if she's been on a ride before. You been on a ride before?
Yeah.
You been on a ride before?
I never like drove it, but I rode before.
Who you rode with?
Motorcycle ass ex-boyfriend, but I broke his bike.
Oh Lord, let's hope she don't break my bike today. So come over here to light it. So with that being said, we finna go to the store real quick. Cause we finna do this little, I don't know what little thing. So she got some outfits. But so you know how to get on the bike then?
Yeah, I just don't know how to get on the bike.
What side you gotta get on?
Right.
Nope.
This side.
Oh, okay, you been on there before. And then if I lean, where you lean at?
I lean in the same direction you lean.
Oh, she know. Okay, you been on the bike for real.
Yeah, I have my own helmet.
Oh, you got a helmet too?
I don't have it with me.
He took it back.
I bought it.
He took it back. Oh, I didn't know you was a rider like that.
I asked you. I've been trying to link with you so we could ride.
Yeah.
With me.
I didn't know you was a rider. All right, with that being said, we finna get on this biz light. So you want to try the big helmet first, or we try this one?
The big one.
Yeah, that one big. That one straight. Yeah, there you go. And that one you just snap it on. We finna go on this visa. I'm gonna put this in my jacket or something.
Yeah.
What about this too?
Yeah, because I can't hit it.
You can't hit it. You gotta lift that up.
Huh?
You gotta lift that up. Like you got, that's like a, look.
I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie.
It's a red button right there. You feel it?
Nah. Oh, the button?
Yeah, hit it. Yeah, try to get it.
No. Oh.
You see what I'm saying? Try it. There you go.
Back.
Yeah, fast. All right, come on. You can go ahead and get on. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, I need to get a thumbnail.
Huh?
Checking from my fan, life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hundreds, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hundreds, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already.
I'm trying to get her right by the shoes.
I should get my shoes right.
No.
No?
Not. Huh? Yeah, you don't need no shoes. I don't even know what until you put it on. You know it look good on your body. I like this fit though. I don't know. I think it might be the boots, man. Yeah. You got what you need?
Huh?
You got what you need?
Yeah. I got a car.
Now we finna get back on the biz. This is hard. Damn.
You like that one?
That was hard.
I'll get that one.
What? Girl, you spend that much money? Yeah, that pink one go crazy. Can't even lie. He gotta look. I said, then they gotta look. So she finally got what she needed. She in that ball. Hold on, go on this side. I don't get this side. She in there balling out. Like what? You made that much money out? You made that much money? No, I mean, that's like investment. So you look at it as investment. Exactly. I feel you though, but god damn. That's it. Yeah, this point, yeah, come on. You know, get in. Tell me, yeah, we bought some new outfits. We trying to try it out. Hey,
Can I hold this thing?
yeah. You ain't that thick. So you ain't that thick.
Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were pan level. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best up. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button level. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia out of ties, out of Mexico. Smell the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, if it's a day, yo. Ain't you stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. But did tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on.
So we finna take our pictures. She got her little outfit on. Ooh. Yeah. So we finna snap up real quick. Let's see how this go. But if you haven't already, go follow me on my Instagram.
Yeah, we can.
I'm up here at the shop, y'all. I'm getting this windshield put on my other bike. That bit clean, bro. What the fuck? Full CVO to sitting rims on this bitch and everything. Yeah. Gauge. Seat matching, huh? Yeah.
Matching club and everything. She ready to hit the highway now. She ain't ready for no racing. But she ready to hit the highway.
She got the music and everything on the still.
It ain't like that. This number 7 900. This is
7?
This is number bike.
Oh, you ain't gonna let that one go unless somebody got a bag, man. Y'all got a bag, come get her.
That number 7 900. You know what I'm saying?
Damn. I know that. Look at this motherfucker though. One brake. Got the Brembos on this bitch. Can of red. Oh. See through. Motherfucker right. He ain't got the fucking back brake. So as you see, your boy just left the shop, man. The mechanic had left. They was gonna put the shield on, like put it together. So with that being said, I went to the house real quick to go get my other bike, which is Poison Ivy. As y'all everybody know, I ain't roll her in so long. So today can be my first ride on her in a long time. So I just put it to the house, try to find the keys. I got the keys, bro. She did her thing, man. She took me to Houston and everything else. But it's time to switch out and get that killer outside. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm get back with y'all when I pour her out. You did? Yeah, it's been so long, baby, but I'm home. Daddy's home. Got the killer outside, but this is the real killer, man. So if you know anything, Baby, I miss you. And she's on a charger? Don't tell me she's on a charger too. Hold on. Let me make, oh, and my baby on the charger. Thank God. I thought she was gonna be dead. But finna pull her out, pull this one in. We're finna get on the road, man. This bike ain't been started. It's gonna be loud. Hold on. I thought it was on a charge. I guess he just put on a charge. But right now my bike is dead. It's here and everything. Y'all need some shit down south. Y'all know what we're going to. Yeah. Put it on there and see how it look. This ain't the bike gonna be on, but we just gonna put it on there for now. You know. Yeah, the silver, the red. That's gonna go look at. Get on that, man. Y'all heated it up or something? You wash?
Yeah, on game.
Oh god, that be a little hard, y'all. Damn. Y'all heard about that Harley? You too, I done pulled up the hard day, so they got a little thing going on out here though. This bitch looking alright. Just walk in here real quick. See what's going on. Oh, appreciate it. Ooh, this bitch hard. Hey, this bitch. Road Runner. This for sale? Yeah. Man. I can't afford this. This is hot dog. This bitch got the swing on and everything. And this the real deal though. Real deal. Real deal. But yeah, we got some of these new bikes out here. Dogs. Man, this bitch alright too. Y'all be just, this the place to come. Damn. So these are the custom bikes, y'all know. You got the fat wheel, got that one right there. New joint. Ooh, right there. It's the ST. With the CEO. Look at that.
But so on this it has a little bit of bleed, so we did a black line and all I did was tape, sprayed it and baked it.
Good. This one got two different sides. You see? And blue. This I'm gonna get back to them in a minute. I'm gonna go see what they got going on here.
I like your brown eyes. There must be something they see.
This hard. This is hard too. Got some bike racing going on over here. There's a whole bunch of bikes out here though. Got the CDO. I ain't lie, this is a nice ass blue on them new bikes. How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Yeah, I see that thing sitting over here.
Yeah. Yeah. You going to Arizona?
I'm trying to.
Oh, yeah. We'll get ready to go.
Nah, I'm trying to go get that motherfucker dancing though. Now, what's up, Pimmy? My players, man. What y'all been up to, nigga? Oh, what? I ain't know we had that shit in Atlanta.
We gonna ride out 27. We gotta ride out. Hey, Joe. Joe. Where the ride out? Hey, Joe.
Hold on, they got these motherfuckers.
Hey, man. 27.
Hey, we're 27. Nah, I ain't know y'all be doing this shit in Atlanta.
We started this shit.
Oh, so y'all just, y'all put it together?
We been doing it, but
Oh, okay. Man, this motherfucker full.